The gingerbread man. Hey guys, it's Wengie.
And Max.
And...
Hugs.
What?
Hug. Wait, what?
Anyways, today we're gonna be doing the pancake art challenge.
Wait, no, we're not.
What?
Today, I've prepared a special challenge. It's the pancake art challenge minus the pan.
What? We're making pancakes on the table?
No, we're making it without pants. Wait, I'm just kidding. Today, I've prepared a special kind of art challenge for Wengie. We are actually doing the cake art challenge.
Oh, what do you mean cake art? Are we carving up a cake?
A drawing art on
Oh, like cake decoration. See, I knew I did an icing hug.
cake. You gave it away.
I did?
And you didn't even know.
Nope. Alright, let's just get started. Let's go.
For round one, I have prepared a banquet, a feast. 3, 2, 1.
Whoa, this is a feast.
One cake each.
So, what are we making?
Pikachu!
Pikachu! There's that new movie coming out, right?
Oh,
Detective
dude.
Pikachu.
Detective Pikachu, it looks so good.
Can I put a detective hat on him?
If you want, but you won't get any extra points for it.
Well, I've got my Pokemon trainer hat on right now.
Oh, you
Could
do?
you tell? I'm like Misty, but pink. Alright guys, don't forget to vote for your favorite down below to see who won this first round. Ready?
I'm ready.
Ooh, I think I'm going to do the outline with the black.
Yeah, we definitely need to do the outline first.
How's he gonna fit?
Wait, he's massive.
Cake is so small. What do I do with a circular canvas? The top of his head. It's like a
Dude,
little...
that's not going. Mine's been tampered with. Someone's hacking me. Game Master.
Oh no, his face is so thin. What
Dude,
did
yours
I
looks
do?
like a kidney bean. I have a lot to catch up on now. Oh my gosh.
Oh
Wait.
no, look, one ear is bigger than the other. Why is my left ear bigger than the other? I'm gonna do as much of the body as I can. Looks like I'm just getting in the thigh. Oh, can I fit a foot?
I'm worried that my ears are gonna be so big I'm not even gonna fit the face on. Oh, you're doing the whole... Wait, you said you were doing the head only and now you just... What, behind my back? Well, not technically, but like on my side? You go ahead and do the whole body?
Your problem, not mine.
You tricked me.
I mean...
your head looks massive. You know those bobblehead dolls that bob around in the car?
But look, in the picture his head is kind of big. I feel like mine looks like he has like a peanut for a head. I'm gonna do the nose first.
Oh no, what happened? Why did it not finish? It broke early.
Look at this. He got a Joker mouth.
I don't even need to say anything bad about yours.
Oh no! He
What
got
happened?
whiskers.
He ate too much Vegemite. He's got a dirty mouth.
Me? And this is harder than it looks, you know.
I know, because I'm doing it. I don't know if you've noticed. I'm doing the challenge next to you. Why is my cheek so big?
You know what?
What? You give up?
My Pikachu went on a diet. Yours looks like it ate too much. Can we like split in the middle?
Yeah, why does mine look fat? What happened?
You happen. Oh wait! Karma! I was mean to Max and now my cheek is ruined. You know,
That's what you get.
that's what you
That's
get
what
when you
bullies
bully.
get.
I know. I just bully you.
Just trying to...
Look at his pointy eyes.
His eyes are like... Doing.
Yeah, we're gonna flatten it by doing a little shake.
Wait, you saying you can flatten things by shaking them? Flatten me! I'm still round. I thought we were a team.
No, this is a challenge. We are not a team.
I'm ready for my color. You already started your color. Wait, yours looks so creepy right now.
What do you mean?
What is he? Some kind of like superhero gone wrong?
Captain Pikachu! He's like a superhero.
Wait, you got... Why did it fall out?
What do you guys think?
I think if I saw that kind of superhero on the street, I'd run.
You're right. This is like Game Master Pikachu.
Right? He's creepy.
He's come here to hack my videos.
He's creepy.
He wants to delete all my YouTube videos. I'm scared.
I'm gonna have nightmares. Dude, I don't want to look at it. It's actually more of a test of your coloring in skills.
Yeah, I was pretty good at coloring in.
Were you?
Yeah.
What happened?
What do you mean what happened? I'm still good at coloring in. Can you see this? I just wasn't good at the drawing part, okay? Alright, now I'm coloring his thigh.
Must be nice, you know, having a thigh to color in. Must be nice. Wait, are you eating on the job?
I finished my job. How about you? I'm gonna go ahead and give him a little detective hat.
I already said no extra points for detective hat.
I'm bored.
You can't rush. Did Picasso have a little gnome next to him going like, hurry up Picasso, we got a bus to catch? No, he didn't.
We got a bus to catch. Where are you going? Yay! Alright guys, so this is my beautiful Pikachu cake. He's pointing at the sun, he's skipping around, he's having a lovely time.
And this one is mine. Check it out. I didn't do his legs, but I think it definitely looks better. Wait, come on. Look, let's look at him. Let's look at him. You can't look at mine and say that it doesn't look good.
You can't look at mine and say it doesn't spark joy.
Yours sparks fear.
Joy.
It strikes fear into my heart.
Alright guys, now it's time to vote what your favorite is down below. You know, this Detective Pikachu is who won this round.
Don't point at your one and say you know who won this round.
Alright, vote now down below and let's get on with the next challenge. Let's go. Alright, round 2. Look at the colors in front of us. Can you guess what we're making?
Are we making a blue whale?
No, I'm just gonna tell you.
Okay, fine. I don't think I'm ever gonna get it.
We are making Elsa!
Oh, Elsa, of course. I should have known with these colors.
Yeah, right?
Dude,
if you thought last round was complicated.
Are you kidding me?
I wonder what this will turn out like.
How do we even do this? Wait, why does...
I was waiting for you to notice.
Why does my cake have a ditch in... What is this?
You know, it wasn't on purpose, just happened to be your cake.
Are you kidding me? You didn't do this?
No, well, mine has a line.
This is like a proper legit icing.
I feel like a pastry chef.
So her hair's gonna be 3D and the rest of her's gonna be 2D. It's lit. It's lit! Oh my gosh, look at your face. It looks so good.
Oh, thank you. How does this come? This is not, I'm not strong enough. This is,
You alright there?
It's so, why is it not coming out?
Oh my gosh. Well, it came out the side. It looks like we've gone back to the safety of
this is from the Pikachu round.
the icing yellow. I think this one didn't quite work out.
Nope.
Okay, this hair is a bit more complicated than I once thought.
You know what? I feel like we've reversed roles. This time I'm doing the whole body.
Oh, are you? Well, I'm slowly getting each strand of the hair.
Oh, dude, yours looks like a... This looks like string cheese.
Oh my gosh, yours is so tiny. What is that?
Mine is quite tiny. I struggled with the size.
It also looks like a man right now.
My arm is in the ditch. I'm sorry, Elsa. It's all going downhill.
Looks like a very muscular, gym-going man. Hey, you know what? This is not bad. The proportions are great. The hair is looking like it's getting there.
The problem with doing small art is the details. So hard to perfect.
What is that? You know what that looks like? The gingerbread man.
I was gonna say it looks like the gingerbread. Kicking a man when he's down, that's what's happening right now.
That man?
It's not a man! This is not a man! This is a beautiful girl, okay? Someone out there is gonna look at this Elsa and they're gonna be like, ooh, what a hottie. I'd like to take her out for dinner.
I'd like to see who that is. Please comment down below.
Oh, lordy lord.
What is that?
She looks like an angry bug. Elsa's been hitting the gym, this Elsa. She been doing the weights. She be lifting. So sorry, Elsa.
Lips are so hard to do.
Hey!
Sorry.
You think I need more sabotage? You think I haven't sabotaged myself enough?
Oh, squeezing this icing is a workout.
Right?
I'm gonna have fingers of steel.
Wait. I'm gonna reach.
Hey,
I'm gonna
reach.
Does that really help? Does that really do it? Dude, your cake's gonna fly off the table. Yeah, what do you guys think? How did we do?
I think mine was amazing. I mean, considering what we were working with, pretty good. I reckon they look pretty similar. Look, proportions, great. Skin color, right. Hair, done.
Done?
Hotel, Trivago.
What?
For me, guys.
I'm not gonna pretend that I know what that means. I did the whole body and more, apparently.
What happened to her eyes? What are those? Are they?
Look, it's so small. Like, look, literally, they're dots. They're like smaller than like a third of my pinky.
Alright guys, well you know who the clear winner is. Go down below and comment who you thought won this round. And we're going on to the next one. Alright, let's go. Alright, we are on to the final round.
Oh, this is the decider. I feel like we each had a strong round.
No, I thought my Pikachu was pretty strong.
That's the way this game works. We don't know who's winning. I mean, she could be 2-0 or I could be 2-0. But I personally feel like this is the deciding round. I've prepared a special treat for this round. The art for the final round is... Oh!
It's our Roblox character!
That's right! Oh my gosh!
Why am I so grumpy?
You got a grumpy face.
It's true. When I do obbies, all I do is die. So this is my face. Speaking of Roblox, you have a channel.
Yeah, I do. It's called Max Mello. We've left the link in the description box down below. Check it out.
And I joined him to play games.
Yeah, and she is
really bad at it.
Sometimes good at it. You did good at a few. You did good a few games.
I die a lot. No.
What did you do?
Okay, abort.
Oh my gosh. Oh, dude, your avatar looks like you're crying blood. What's going on?
Hey, this is the hair, not the eyes. Yeah. You know what? I'm gonna try it all out for my hair. I think that's gonna make the difference between me winning this round and me losing this round is how well I do my hair. I feel like I'm gonna get like the biggest hands after this. Like my hands are gonna double in size from the workout.
Oh, very attractive. You know, we all love big hands. Dude, you look like... What did you do? You got a beard?
This is what I look like during Christmas if I come down your chimney to give you presents.
Santa Wengie's in the
Santa Wengie, you better be good. Look, can you see my beard? It's getting higher. This is the full beard.
Your beard is growing up your face. It's
Wengie
now like
Santa.
under your eye bag.
It's ruined. Flashback to what my cake looked like before. Can we use this version like forever? I ruined it with the skin tone. I shouldn't have done it. You know what I just realized?
What?
The skin tone of the cake looks more like the picture.
Alright.
Oh no, my skin seeped onto my top.
You have no neck, so it looks like you got a neck beard.
I'm taking off the eye. Look, this is the stuff of nightmares. What do you think?
Oh my gosh, what have you done? Why did you do that? Have you not seen Slender Man? He's got no face.
I guess I'm pretty slender.
Not what I was trying to get at.
Alright, I have fixed my face.
Why is your mouth so high? You look like you got like the most epic chin in the world. Oh, that was a nice run. Oh my gosh, my hands are so tired.
Ooh, that's like a perfect circle.
Well, I don't know what your definition of circle is, but it doesn't look like a circle to me. Alright guys, we are finally finished with our Roblox avatars.
I fixed my face.
Check it out. Oh my gosh, this took me a million years.
Who do you guys think did the best? Comment down below who you think won this round. This is like the decider round, so I guess who you vote this time.
Make it count, guys.
Maybe I already won because my Pikachu was so dope. Hey, do you want to eat it?
Eat my face? Sure, I'll eat my face.
Yeah?
Or do I eat your face?
Alright guys, we have all the cakes in front of us. This is the challenge. Look at my Elsa. I got icing on my hand.
Oh, you're proud of your Elsa? Look at my Pikachu. My Pikachu is lit.
We're gonna eat this right now and enjoy these beautiful
Oh, dude,
cakes.
these look so good.
Don't forget to suggest other challenges you want us to do down below so we could do them next time. And we'll be back next week with another video, so we'll see you guys then. Bye, guys. Love you. Oh.
Oh.
Mmm. Mmm.
That's a good cake.
It's a good cake.